Hello everyone and welcome back to BioLife Facts. So today I'll be telling you about, I'll just give a brief diagrammatic representation of the central dogma that is in the field of biology, central dogma of life, that is transcription, starting from replication, transcription and translation. So we all know what, so today is the central dogma. So today's topic is our central dogma. So what is about the central dogma? Central dogma of life tells that, so it's like DNA to RNA to proteins, okay, and also DNA to DNA. So if we make DNA from a DNA molecule, that process is known as replication. Okay, so if you make RNA from DNA, that process is known as transcription. And if you make proteins from RNA, that process is known as translation. So these are the three main steps which takes place in all living cell. So there majorly we classify cell into two different groups. One is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So let me use this one and let me show you how does the central dogma, steps of central dogma takes place in prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. Okay, I'm just giving a line diagram, just see what happens. So suppose this is the cell, suppose this is the prokaryotic cell, and suppose this is the cell membrane. Similarly in the eukaryotes also, this is the, suppose this is the eukaryotic cell, and this is the cell membrane. Okay, so and this is the cytoplasm, this is the cell cytoplasm, and this is also the cell cytoplasm. So we know that the prokaryotic cell don't have a membrane bound nucleus, so it lacks a double membrane bound nucleus. So suppose this is the genetic material which is present, that is the DNA. Suppose this is the DNA. See, my diagram is very bad, so I'm just giving you a line diagram. Don't go deeper into the diagram. I just want to say you that suppose this is the prokaryotic DNA or the bacterial DNA. Now from DNA we will make an RNA. That process is known as transcription. So here the DNA strands unwind. You can see that there is a gapping. The strands unwind, the strands have separated and they are forming an RNA. So this is what? This is the RNA. So this is the RNA which the DNA strand has formed by the process of transcription. Okay. So this is the DNA, this is the cell cytoplasm. So an RNA is formed. Okay. Now what happens when the RNA is forming from the DNA, when the transcription is forming, then the ribosomes, this is the smaller and the larger subunits of ribosomes come and attach to this RNA molecule. So this is ribosomes. This is your smaller subunit, and this is your larger subunit of the ribosome. A ribosome has two subunits, and we know that prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S. Okay. So here the ribosome comes and they attaches themselves. So the larger subunit ribosome is your 50S, smaller subunit is 30S. Fine. Now the ribosomes comes and attach themselves to the RNA, and then what happens? then we will get proteins from the RNA, because ribosome, we know ribosome helps in the manufacturing of protein, so it helps in the process of translation. It is a protein manufacturing unit, it is a factory which helps in the manufacturing of proteins. So hence it will form proteins. Eventually they will come, and in this way the proteins will be formed. So this is proteins. These are proteins. What are this? These are proteins. So from RNA we are getting proteins. This process is known as translation. Okay. So this translation process takes place in the cytoplasm. This transcription process also takes place in the cell cytoplasm. Now we will see that what happens in case of the eukaryotic cell. So suppose this is the nucleus. Suppose this is the nucleus with a double membrane. Okay. And suppose this is the DNA strand. Suppose this is, sorry for my drawing. Suppose this is the DNA strand, and then what happens here? Here the strand unwinds to make RNA. Okay, this is the premature RNA. Okay, 5 prime, 3 prime. So this is the RNA which is formed inside the nucleus, means the transcription process. Transcription. So transcription process taking place inside the nucleus of the cell. Sorry, of the, yes, inside the nucleus of the cell. So this is your DNA. This is your nucleus. Okay. So the transcription has been formed. Now the nucleus gets modified, and then it comes out. Now the mRNA, now the pre-mRNA gets modified, and it comes out from the nucleus through the pore into the cytosol as mature mRNA. Mature mRNA. So this is the 5 prime, this is 3 prime. Okay. So it comes out from the nucleus with the help of small pores. This pore is known as nuclear pore. Okay. So this is the premature mRNA which is formed inside the nucleus. It undergoes some modification. Suppose for example alternative splicing. Alternative splicing is the modification, post-transcription modification which it undergoes, and it comes to the cytosol. So here when the transcription is occurring from DNA to RNA, we have what happens? The exons, these are the coding regions which are present, and they are intertwined with the intron. So actually it is the exons which helps in coding and not the introns. Now what happens? Now the mature mRNA has come into the cytosol. Now what will happen? We want to get protein from the mRNA. Now the ribosome, small as well as larger subunit of the ribosome will come. So these are the ribosomes which come. So eukaryotes have 80S ribosome. So the 80S ribosome comes, and hence it helps in the formation of protein. It helps in the formation of what? It helps in the formation of protein molecule. Proteins. Okay. So this process from mRNA we are getting proteins. This is known as process of translation. Okay. So this is the process of translation. So see, this is the central dogma of life which takes place in the prokaryotes as well as in the eukaryotes. We see that the transcription takes place mostly in the cytosol of the prokaryotic cell, whereas the transcription occurs into the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the transcription as well as translation can occur simultaneously. Why? Because see, when the messenger RNA is starting to produce, mRNAs are coming out, falling out from this nucleus to the cytoplasm, that time only what happening? The the ribosomes are coming and attaching. Although the full mRNA is not being formed, the mRNA is just starting to form, the ribosomes are coming and they are starting to manufacture proteins. So it is a simultaneous process. Basically in the prokaryotes, transcription and translation mostly occur simultaneously. So this is the overview which I want to give you all about the central dogma in the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. So if you like this video so far, so please don't forget to like it, subscribe it and share as many as possible. Till then, bye and thank you.